Friends, welcome to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well and enjoying the best of life. Guys, my today's video is very easy, unique and a very simple design pattern base. That is, only one hand embroidery stitch is required to make all the entire hand embroidery pattern for your dress, for your blouse, for your shirt, for your kurti, for your sweatshirt, and even onto your handmade hand knitted cardigan, poncho, sweaters, or any type of cord sets as well. So as you could see, all of the color combinations are extremely beautiful. You can give a more enhanced look by using the exact spray of these flowers as an all over embroidery pattern as well. You can give a more creative and enhanced look by using these neckline patterns as embroidery borders onto your sleeves and shirts as well. So these are the different ideas or the modifications which you can make on these patterns and give an entire new look to your dress. Friends, as you know that in the market, always handmade, handcrafted dress or wearing item is always very expensive, but you can keep yourself away from those expensive things by just following these patterns. And lazy daisy stitch is the most simpler, easiest, beautiful, pretty, easy to make and the most creative stitch that is being practiced in almost every region of the world. So do try these with the patrons and share your experiences with us, guys. This is the video that you are looking for. These design patterns, all of them are not ignorable at any cost. If you are an embroidery beginner, if you don't know the art of hand embroidery, you can even make these patterns. And if you want to know how to make a lazy daisy stitch step by step, then no need to worry about it. I have shown you in my channel. I have made a step-by-step tutorial that how you can make a lazy daisy stitch, how you can make a flower, how you can make an embroidery pattern using the art of lazy daisy hand embroidery stitches. So with this, allow me to leave and stay tuned for the latest upcoming more new videos, more new dimensions and ideas to explore. So keep sharing. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to leave comments below my videos.